Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Once again, this is Booski, and today we're doing something different. I have my daughter with me, Promise.
Hey guys.
And we are doing a mukbang, whatever you want to call it. And today what we have is some hot Cheetos, not fried chicken, but it's baked chicken tenders. And we have some breadsticks and some salad as well. Let you guys see some of that, right? So that's what we're going to be eating today. And I mean, it's quarantine time, so we're just going to be hanging out with you guys and chilling and having our meal for the night, right? So before we even get started, we're going to go ahead and pray. May we bow our heads. Dear God, thank you for this food that we're about to receive. God, thank you for watching over our family. Thank you for all of the people who are taking care of us during this COVID-19, all the workers, all the people, all the essentials. We really appreciate you guys. Thank everybody. Everybody stay safe. Amen.
Amen.
All right, so today we're just going to talk about random things, I guess. But first I want to update you guys on the giveaway, because I know a lot of people who do watch my channel, they're probably wondering like, what happened to the giveaway, right? So with the giveaway, I don't think I'm going to do that anytime soon because it's not enough comments that's generating yet. There will be millions of comments one day, all positive manifestation, you guys. So, because I just don't feel like it would be a fair contest, and she knows why, because she would win. I don't think like it would be fair. So you guys, I want to wait till you guys really just get in tune with the channel and you start communicating more, and then I'll be more than happy to do a giveaway. But other than that, I made some Cheetos fried chicken. I made Cheetos fried chicken, and hopefully it's delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and try it before I dip it or anything. Like, yeah, let them get the first bite. Yes, the first bite. So let's see how this is. The kids, they should let it. Nice and juicy. If you guys want to see how I make this, I'll link the video in the description, because I do have a video for that. So, it is going to be really hard for me to do a mukbang and talk while I'm eating. I'm just not that girl. But you know what? For the Booski squatters, we're going to work it out today. So, once again, this is my oldest, Promise. I do have 3 other children. You guys will be introduced to them soon as well. And today we're just going to, first of all, how are you doing being out of school the whole year? How does that feel?
Well, at first I was kind of like really sad and stuff, but I'm not really super sad anymore. I feel like this is an opportunity to like be able to become better every grade year. I'm cool with
Do you miss your classmates?
Not really. I mean, yeah, but it's like, I know eventually I'm gonna see them again.
How do you feel about COVID-19, period?
I kind of have mixed feelings about it, because I think that it's helping us. At the same time, it's not, because like, in China, actually the skies and stuff were becoming brighter, because since like the buildings and stuff, like the big factories and stuff, had to go to quarantine, there's not a lot of pollution going into the air, so the skies are getting brighter. Yeah, and also in Italy, I don't know exactly about it, but there was like a lake or something, and it's like getting clearer and stuff, you know, like this is like Mother Nature's time to have a pamper day, because we weren't taking care of her. So she felt she had to take care of herself. So yeah, but something I think that is spreading faster than the disease itself is the racism.
So you're noticing more racism since COVID-19?
Well,
That's sad. It's 2020, guys. We all need to love each other, respect each other, accept each other. But obviously, you're noticing that. It's sad. I'm sad I brought you into the world with racism. But you know, maybe you and other people like you could speak up and have an impact to change that. What do you feel about it?
I think it's really messed up because from what I've seen, it's other minorities putting down Asians, especially us black people. Yeah, like a lot of people don't know that. Like they think that black people can't be racist, but we can. Yeah.
So, you can use ranch or whatever you need to.
I'm just gonna show them the cheese.
Oh, you guys, I have some cheese. I don't want to waste it on you, but I made some homemade cheese. Because I feel like it's so much in this bowl that it'll waste. So hopefully you guys can see it. But that's what they can see it because I've been sipping it. Juicy.
That's a good. That would be a good.
So we all know you're a big B2K fan, and you know how to speak Chinese. You know how to speak a couple of languages. More than me. I have my own language. It's mine, nobody else's.
Is it Chinese?
My language is mixed with Chinese and Spanish. Or Mexican. Whatever the language is called.
Mexican is...
What's the language?
The language is Spanish.
My Mexican is mixed with Spanish and Chinese.
Oh my god, the chocolate milk went up my nose.
Well, so mira que se name let me tell you something. Why are you dying? That is my language. So, how do you feel? Because I know, once again, I know you're really into that culture. About them getting attacked.
I think it's really sad because at the end of the day, they're people, and I feel like years from now, eventually one day, we're all gonna be mixed with everything. So I think we might as well just stop like degrading each other now, because you never know, your great grandkids could, you know, be that. Does that make sense? Yeah, I just think it's really sad.
It is. I don't like when people talk about people, period. I don't care what race or anything. It's just like, get over yourself. Like, I hate when somebody blames a whole group of people for one person's mistake. Hypothetically speaking, what if this came from China and they were eating bats? we know they eat a lot of crazy things, right? So, and it did come from them. But why would you guys attack completely innocent people just because of the color of their skin or the chinginess of their eyes? You know, why would you do that? But I don't know if you heard, Princess, but black people are actually getting shunned. You've heard that?
Yeah.
In China now. So it's on both ends now. You know, it's like it's trying to be reversed. I remember when COVID-19 first started, black people were like, we're immune. I was going to say immune. We're immune from it, right? Baby. We're human just like anybody else. I know this melanin is popping. But, you know, stay home, stay safe, you guys. Take care of those who can't take care of themselves. Enough of that. Our prayers are definitely with those affected. And at the end of the day, no matter what it is, this family wants nothing but equality. Right? Anything else you want to say on that before we move on from that subject? Okay. So go ahead and tell the Booski Squatters some things about yourself. You know?
I like languages.
How many different languages do you speak?
3.
3. What are those? I'm getting old, y'all. When your kid look at you like that, you get old. Okay. But what are those languages?
Spanish, Chinese, and French.
Well, I knew that. I just wanted to tell you that. So, teach me some Spanish because, you know, I can't speak in Spanglish all my life.
So if you were introducing yourself to someone, you would say, hola, ¿cómo estás? Or ¿cómo te sientes? And then, me llamo, whatever name you want to use for that particular moment.
So at first I'm going to say, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo me siento?
No. It's either one. ¿Cómo estás? Is how are you? ¿Cómo te sientes? Is how do you feel?
¿Cómo me sientes? Oh, for real, that's what it sounds like you said. ¿Cómo me sientes? I don't know, teach me. You fatty.
I don't know.
It's not as spicy. I can actually handle this. And I put hot sauce. You guys, if you want to see once again how I made this chicken, remember to check the link in the description. But you guys will see I put hot sauce. I put red crushed pepper. Plus the Doritos, hot Cheetos. Doritos, Fritos, or Cheetos. Lamb, chicken, you name it. Yeah, I can't eat spicy stuff, y'all. No. I did this, you know, my kids was watching this video. You know what? But I was not the hot Cheetos girl growing up.
You know that's a thing.
Let me tell you something. I wasn't the pickles and the hot Cheetos girls, the sunflower seed girls. That just wasn't me, baby.
Was they the one's best friend? You know, it's always that. Wait, how did these happen?
I ain't gonna say with them because all the black people gonna kill me right now. Like, What are you talking about?
That's a
But they definitely were the ones that were outside a lot.
Oh, so that's a big thing, huh?
I like real food. When I went to the store, I would get the juice, the brownie, the candy, Fruities, Starburst, Skittles, nacho cheese, like Doritos in the bag or whatever. But yeah, I probably would have liked all that, but I feel like it was a popularity thing. It was like, that's what made you popular. If you had some chip, some Dorito, I mean, some, whatever I'm talking about. They must have you, man. Let me talk about. Hot Cheetos. And I couldn't handle the spice. Definitely some Fruities. You guys, I hope you're enjoying this mukbang. This is our first official family mukbang and mukbang period. You guys get to meet, you know, COVID-19 got me so scared to lick my fingers, and I'm in home and I just washed my hands, you know. But I'm going to be introducing all my children to you guys on each video. So, promise is here now. Sincere will be here on the next mukbang. Oh, I also have some blue juice. Hawaiian punch, blue juice. Because everybody know blue is a favorite. Everybody know blue is a favor. Everybody know blue is a flavor. And I have some water. What are you drinking, daughter?
Chocolate milk.
Oh, yum. This salad hitting though. Bussin'. Highlight of the plate. Oh, anyway. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I don't know. Because like there's like a lot of different aspects, you know. Like I don't know if I want to be famous. I don't know if I just want to be like just wealthy. You know. I don't know if I want to deal with fashion. I don't know if I want to deal with law.
Well,
I guess whatever sticks with me when I get older, I guess.
you're really intelligent, so you could do anything. Like seriously, you can do all of the above. There's not no limit, especially for your generation. Like they have so many talents and so many hustles and so many jobs. Amazing generation, except the drug ones. They're going to be amazing too. Just get off the drugs. Okay, I'm going to edit it out. But maybe I won't. Say no to drugs. Because you know what? Somebody got to tell y'all. You know, I'm not going to accept it. No, somebody got to be your mom too. I love y'all. All them Percocets, Molly Percocet. No, and drugs and Tide Pods or whatever you guys are doing. Smoking iPods and stuff. That's not what you should be doing. I'm just saying, who gonna smoke an iPod?
That's an Apple product.
We smoking Apple too?
No, mommy. Like the brand Apple, like iPhone, iPod.
Oh,
it's like, I don't know what it is.
Stop blowing out. I ain't good for them. Now y'all smoking electronics?
Wait.
It's really on me. She's got cold. I'm good, right? Good. My hat goes, oh! My hat goes off to all the mukbangers. You guys are absolutely amazing because whoa. Boom, 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 whoa. Let's do this, guys. Boom, 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 whoa. Boom, 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 whoa. Okay, we're gonna
I'm
boom,
gonna learn the
boom,
captain
boom,
hook
boom,
dance.
whoa. And then we're gonna go boom, 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 whoa. Boom, 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 whoa. Boom, 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 whoa. Yeah, but what was I talking about earlier? Oh, but if you guys, honestly, if I cooked for you and you was eating my food, you wouldn't be able to concentrate on the mukbang either. But I think we're doing pretty good managing. You can walk a true bubblegum, right? That's pretty much just the idea of this. I'm excited. My channel is growing to something else that I enjoy doing. Yeah. Get off my phone. Is that TikTok? TikTok, leave me alone. So, we're having a great time doing this. We're going to do a lot of mukbangs. You guys need to let me know down in the description below, in the comment section below, not the description, on the Dillio. If you like these type of videos, because we will definitely pump them out. Pump. Okay, why am I so animated? Did I really have to do the pump? I have water, you had your milk. I'm still need something to drink now. We was prepared for some heat. I'm gonna have to do this again with some extra heat.
Ooh, the black bag.
It's super spicy?
Extra.
Cause can I handle spicy things? Do I eat spicy food? Not at all.
I eat spicy food for a living.
Me? I can handle it. I can finish all these, but I'm honestly in full. The salad is hidden though. Call me so I can make it juicy for you. I'm telling you. That's the hit. So before we end out this vlog, before we end out this mukbang, is there anything that you want to let the people know about you before your siblings get on? Or is there anything you want to let the people know? Is there anything you want to let people know about your siblings? The next one that's coming on.
He not gonna talk.
You guys, she talked, but my next baby, when it's his turn, and we're gonna do a hot wing mukbang because that's what he wants to do. He's like me when I was a kid. All he does is quiet and smile. Like, if he talks, we'll be surprised. I mean, he does talk, and when he starts, he won't shut up, honestly. So I'll be like, bro, how many questions you got? But, I don't know, you guys. On the camera, you might not get much out of my son. And that's my oldest son. How do you think Beyond is going to be?
She gonna be a pro.
Be honest, yeah. She already be recording on her tablet.
Her and Endure.
Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.
Endure gonna be
Hit
cute.
the comment section below. Endure's gonna be adorable. Oh, my little cutie. He's gonna be freaking adorable. Like, I'm not even gonna be able to take it. I'm gonna laugh all the time. He's gonna be so cute. Cause he's gonna be into it. He's gonna be lying. You right. This is their thing.
Yeah.
They're YouTube kids.
Whenever
They're gonna be ready.
Whenever they're eating at the table, they always like acting like they're doing.
So yeah, Endure is gonna be absolutely amazing. Beyond is gonna be amazing. You know, I mean, I was born for the scare nose, but Promise is absolutely amazing for my first and our first mukbang. Mukbang. Okay, so before we go, Promise, you have to teach me something in Spanish, something in Chinese, and what's the other language you know?
French.
And something in French. Whatever you want to teach me. Which one you gonna start with?
This one's gonna start first. I think.
Let's go with something in Spanish.
Okay. Me gusta tu ropa.
You said that all pants. Me gusta tu ropa. Mom was supposed to is that what you said? Me gusta tu ropa.
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 He said tu.
Me gusta tu ropa. And what's that mean?
I like your outfit. That's why I did it like that.
Okay. Teach me something. What's the next one?
French. Okay. Je t'aime.
Je t'aime.
That was pretty good.
See? I got the French part.
You know what it means? I love you.
Je t'aime. Je t'aime. It's so sweet. So that's maybe how you say I love you. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. What's the other language?
Chinese.
My favorite. Yeah. Teach me. Why? Okay.
Hold on.
What, are the Chinese gonna give me something? They don't like that? Oh, sorry. I'm sorry, you guys. That's really. Nothing. Only no harm.
Was she Huan Yun though?
What's she hunging though?
Yes.
What does it mean?
I like music.
What's she hunging though? Lord.
My Chinese name is Wang Mei.
Promise is one man?
No, my Chinese teacher gave me a Chinese name. My last name is Wang, which means king, and then my first name is Mei, which means beautiful.
You are beautiful. very nice. I'm sorry, you guys, because I saw some food in my mouth. I don't know. I guess that's what mukbangs do. It's hard to do both. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're going to go ahead and end this video and this mukbang. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the Booski Squad channel. And we will post up more videos for you guys. So leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know what you want me to make for us to eat in the mukbangs. And definitely subscribe so you can see the rest of my children join me. We're going to have a lot of fun, you guys. Like, we're going to have amazing fun. We're quarantining. Okay. I don't know why the wish just came to my... Okay. Anyway, you guys. See, this is why I don't need to be on camera. But my beautiful daughter is very composed and she has her life together. Me, I need to get my life together.
Can I have your chicken?
Sure.
You want it? You can have it.
Sure, you can have my chicken.
You can have it. It's fine.
It's good, ain't it? She want my chicken. She want my chicken. I still got a piece right here left. You can have it.
Okay.
No, for real. I'm full. I just said I was full. I was just trying to eat all my food. Because we used to get in trouble with putting, you know, our food on our plate. And I still do that. I'm big full. I'm juicy. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it all the way to the end, thank you so much for spending time with us. We love you. Would you like to say bye to the Booski Squatters?
Oh, bye.
Bye, guys. Jet them.